Today's Scott Nelson's Got Dogs. It's Saturday morning. Let's clean our razor out. You need an old toothbrush. Just get those little guys clean. Have something to catch. Make sure nothing goes down the drain. This part on this razor turns to lock it in place. That's how you open and close it. Phillips Norelco. Good, off to the side. Now we're not rinsing these off right now. You can do that later. That's good, that looks great. Good, brilliant. Did this last Saturday, so they're not bad. If you don't work on Saturday, this is a good day to do it. Day you don't work. But you're probably still going to shave and look decent. Little blades. Self-sharpening when you turn it on. Old brush, old toothbrush, just something to get the grit off. Now if you feel you need to rinse it and scrub with the brush that way, first, clean this junk out of your sink. Have a piece of tissue, toilet paper, and off to the side. Wet. There you go, like a magnet. Got it. Then you can rinse it out. Brush it all you want. See? Pretty. You can brush this guy. And this is a wet dry shaver, so I can technically see a little number on the inside here. Pretty, pretty. Damn. You don't want that crap going down your drain, clogging your pipes up over the years. And then you have problems, and you're like, oh, I don't know why it's clogged. Okay, it just drops in there. See, easy peasy. Got a cold. There we go. Got it. All right. Got that. This goes in here. Goes in there. They're all a little different. I think I had an old one that had little areas where it had to lock in just at a certain angle. So keep an eye out for that. This, obviously, the round thing that pushes down. See, this is on the bottom, the little round parts. Okay, so we're going in, and see the triangle right there. Gotta get that guy lined up. Oh, I'll just again see how it goes. Oh. That, turn that, there it goes. Turn. They want you to turn it to the left. And that's already left, so this is right. It's locked. All right, you unlock it. You has the arrows to turn left to unlock, okay? Right. You lock it. Yep, they're good. So hopefully everything's good. If it wobbles out, take it apart, put it back together. It's all sharp then. Cool. Sideburn trimmer. Cool. You're ready. Keep it clean or it won't cut hair. Just around my neck I was having little hair. I was like, was that dry skin? No, it was little hairs that weren't getting shaved. And I checked my razor, it was clogged all up. So keep this thinking this. Throw it in the trash can or walk it to the kitchen. Always have an extra one laying around. I'm not through shaving today yet. All right, like, share, and subscribe if you learned anything.